Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, ji, welcome back. Now, question number 5 and question number 5, 6, and 8. They are all related to each other. But question number 5 and question number 8 are exactly the same. Why are they same? Because, in question number 5 and in question number 8, they have given you the same things. They have given you perimeter and they will be asking you to maximize or maximize your area. ठीक है, तो 5 और 8 एग्जैक्टली सेम है. आई विल बी डिस्कसिंग 5 क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इन डिटेल. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 वुड बी डन बाय यू पीपल योरसेल्व्स. ठीक है, थोड़ा सा हल्का सा मैं उसको भी मे बी एक्सप्लेन कर दूँ, द इक्वेशन एंड ऑल, बट रेस्ट ऑफ द थिंग्स वुड बी द सेम. ओके, नाउ लेट अस चेक इट आउट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, द फाइंड द डायमेंशंस ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल ऑफ लार्जेस्ट एरिया हैविंग पेरीमीटर दिस. बच्चों वाला क्वेश्चन है बेसिकली. तो टॉकिंग अबाउट द रेक्टेंगल. व्हाट इज अ रेक्टेंगल? यू ऑल आर फेमिलियर विद दिस. रेक्टेंगल इज अ शेप, इज अ quadrilateral having two opposite sides of equal measurements, right? Now if this is a rectangle, you can see if this is x, this is also x. Length equal, width equal. Of course this is not so accurate, but this is fine to make you understand. Okay, find the dimensions, यानी हमें value of x and y find करनी है. तो आप इसको डिटेल में लिखोगे. You will say okay, let length of the rectangle be x and width या breadth would be y. ठीक हो गया. अच्छा, नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट द टू थिंग्स. एक तो लार्जेस्ट एरिया जिसको मैंने वाइट से लिखा है, इसका मतलब है ये जो फंक्शन है, दिस फंक्शन वुड बी मैक्सिमाइज्ड, यानी ये वो फंक्शन होगा जिसका हम डेरिवेटिव फाइंड करेंगे. क्लियर? एंड दिस इक्वेशन पेरीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 120. पहले तो मैं बता दूं व्हाट इज पेरीमीटर. पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल or of any quadrilateral क्या होता है? sum of all the sides, right? So the perimeter would be sum of all the sides का मतलब है x plus y plus इसकी सारी sides को हम plus करेंगे plus x plus y. So how many times x do we have? 2x. How many times y? 2y. So what is my perimeter now? Can I say 2x plus 2y, but this is given to me as 120 centimeter over here, right? So can I say x plus y is equal to 120 divided by 2. मैंने क्या किया? I took 2 as common, so x plus y is equal to 60. Now this is my first equation. और ये equation हम किसके लिए use करेंगे? Like we used in initial questions, it is 60. So I will be getting value of y from here, ताकि मेरा function एक ही ज़बान में, एक ही वेरिएबल में रह जाए. ठीक है? Now this is my y. Clear? Why did I do this? God. Okay, y is 60 minus x. Why did I do this? Because check it out, I want to maximize my area. What is area of rectangle? We all know what is area of rectangle. X into y, है ना, length into breadth. So area of rectangle is x into y. अच्छा, now can I use this y as y? No, I will be replacing this y with the value of y, which is 60 minus x. Now my area is this thing. Multiply it, 60x minus x square. Why do we do this multiplication? Because I have to maximize it, largest area. उसका मतलब है मुझे first derivative भी इस a का चाहिए और second derivative भी चाहिए इस a का, right? So I'm going to get it done. Firstly, differentiating with respect to x, so it would be 60 into 1 minus 2x, so it would be 60 minus 2x. This is my first derivative. यहीं पे मैं सेकेंड डेरिवेटिव भी फाइंड कर रही हूँ, डी स्क्वायर ए बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर. सो इट वुड बी, यानी डिफ्रेंशिएटिंग अगेन, 60 का डेरिवेटिव वुड बी 0 minus what is the derivative of 2x? So it would be 2 into 1, so it is minus 2. Now you can see in the second derivative there is no x and the value is negative. उससे वहीं से पता चल गया कि largest ही होगा, maximum ही होगा. Clear? Okay, anyways, when we will be done up till here, after the second derivative, what am I going to do? I will be finding my, for extreme values, my value of x, या for critical point या for stationary point, जो भी आप लिखें. So I'll be saying okay, for extreme values क्या करेंगे हम? first derivative equals to 0, which is dA by dx equals to 0. So putting करें इसको 0 के, it would be 60 minus 2x equals to 0. So 60 is equal to 2x and x is equal to 60 divided by 2, which is 30. I got my value of x, which is 30. Clear? Now what is my second derivative? What was my second derivative? Sorry, it was minus 2. I'm going to check it at x is equal to 30. This is already negative, hence a यानी area is maximum या largest at x is equal to 30, यानी मेरी जो लेंथ आई है x इक्वल टू 30, उस पर हमारा एरिया मैक्सिमम है. दैट्स व्हाट वी वर सपोज टू प्रूव. पहले हमने ये शो करना था और उसके बाद अब इसको फाइंड भी करना है डायमेंशंस को. आई गॉट माई x. व्हाट वाज द सेकंड इक्वेशन विच वाज y इज इक्वल टू 60 माइनस x. इसमें पुट कर लें, सो इट वुड बी 60 माइनस 30. व्हाट इज़ द वैल्यू ऑफ y? 60. सो आई विल से हेंस लेंथ इज इक्वल टू 30 सेंटीमीटर एंड विड्थ या ब्रेथ वो भी क्या हो जाएगी आपकी 30 सेंटीमीटर. दैट्स ऑल यू नीडेड. डन. लेट मी शो यू द सोल्यूशन हियर. Look at this. This is the solution which is given to you people. The perimeter is this. Suppose length and width y, x and y. Perimeter ये होता है, उससे x plus y is equal to 60. Take the screenshot of it and you can done it later on. You can do it later on. Thank you. Okay, now you can see question number 8 is here. It is the same as question number 5, right? You can see dimensions of the rectangle are supposed to be found of the garden. Having perimeter is given to us and we have to maximize the area. तो बिल्कुल उसी तरह x plus y is equal to 80. Sorry, perimeter. Sorry. It would be 2x plus 2y is equal to 80. बाकी डिटेल आपने लिखनी है. So x plus y would be, we will be taking 2 as common. So x plus y would be 80 and x plus y would be 80 divided by 2, which is 40. Right, this is your first equation. The first equation say x plus y is equal to 40. You will be getting value of y which is 40 minus x like this. ठीक है, this would be used later on in area. area क्या होता है रेक्टेंगल का? x into y. So x into y की जगह you will be putting 40 minus x. Rest of the solution is exactly the same as question number 5. Done. Now let me show you the solution of this question number 8 over here. This is given to you people. अच्छा, this shape is not exactly rectangle. इसको अपने rectangle की तरह ही draw करना है basically. ठीक है, ये थोड़ा square लग रहा है. अब अच्छा जी, this is x, this is y, x and y. ज़रूर figure draw करिएगा side पे. This is the solution you can see, right? Do write the unit. If it is used meters, you have to use meters. If it is centimeters, you have to use centimeters. Definitely area of the garden है तो it would be in meters, right? So let us go back to question number 6. Okay, now this is question number 6 which is almost the same, but you know this is kind of opposite of question number 5 and 8. क्या opposite है? use चीज़ हुई हुई है वही rectangle. ठीक हो गया? Okay, rectangle ही use हुई है, but the thing is, you know, we are given area by them. We have to prove that the perimeter is minimum. Like the equation to be minimized would be used of perimeter. Clear? We will say let the length be, because it is rectangle, so we will say let the length and width be x and y. Clear? Okay, now what is my area which is given to me? x, y, length into width क्या होगा वो 36 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर विच इज़ गिवन टू अस. ये किस लिए हमने लिखा, किस लिए हम इसको यूज़ करेंगे? नाउ वी विल बी गेटिंग वैल्यू ऑफ y फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन. सो इट वुड बी y is equal to 36 divided by x. Now this value of y would be used in equation of perimeter, because perimeter function जो हमारा बनेगा वो perimeter का होगा and that has to be minimized by us. Clear? y is equal to 36 divided by x. Now I will say okay, perimeter of rectangle is 2x plus 2y. Done. ये मेरा function बन रहा है. Now 2x as it is plus 2 into y. What was value of y? If you remember, it was 36 divided by x. So I'm going to put it over here, 36 divided by x. So it would be 2x plus 72 into x raised to the power minus 1. Why did I do that? Because you know I have to maximize or minimize this function. It means the derivatives would be needed of this function. We will be needing derivatives of this function. ऐसा ही है. So if we need derivatives of this function, we have to take the derivatives with respect to x. So for that reason, I took this x from the denominator to the numerator with minus 1 as power, ताकि power rule लगे और आसानी से आपका derivative find out हो जाए. ठीक है जी. So now I will say okay, differentiating p with respect to x. So it would be dp over dx equals to 2 into what is first derivative of x with respect to x? 1 plus 72 into ये पावर पहले आ जाएगी, it would be minus 1 into x raised to the power minus 1 it is minus 2. Now what is my first derivative? It is 2 minus 72 into x raised to the power minus 2. Let us take our second derivative as well इधर ही. So it would be इसका second derivative of 2 with मतलब like derivative of this term, right? So now what is derivative of 2 with respect to x? It is 0 minus यहाँ पे क्या होगा 72 as it is, power आपकी पहले आ जाएगी and x raised to the power minus 2 minus 1. Now what is minus 2 minus 1? It is minus 3. So the derivative would be, where should I write it? This was my first derivative. Now my second derivative was 0 minus 72 into minus 2 x raised to the power minus 3. So it would be 144 divided by x cube. This is my second derivative. नीचे ले गई मैं उसको. Okay, now from the first derivative, what do we have to do? We have to say, okay, for critical points या for stationary points, we will be taking it as equals to 0. So it would be 2 minus 72 divided by x square equals to 0. ये x square को मैं नीचे ले गई ताकि positive हो जाए. Now take 2 to the other side या 72 over x square to the other side. So it would be 72 divided by x square equals to 2. दोनों positive. Take this x square to the numerator, cross multiplication I mean कर लें. Now it would be 72 is equal to 2x square. Now x square would be 72 divided by 2. So x square is equal to 72 divided by 2 means 36. Let me change the color. Now take square root on both sides. So it would be x is equal to plus minus 6. But I took x is equal to 6. Why? Because you know x is my length. How this could be negative? This cannot be negative. So x is equal to 6 is my first value. Length आ गई है मेरे पास. Now what am I gonna do? I have to see if my perimeter is minimum or not at this x is equal to 6. And how would I check that? By second derivative test जो कि हम कर रहे हैं. Now where is my second derivative? Here is my second derivative, this one. Now I will be putting this value of x over here in my second derivative. अब आपको एक मैं clue बताऊँ. You know, it is a, you can say, an easy way. If you can see your second derivative, it is already positive है ना. 144 divided by x cube positive है, and your value of x जाहिर है it is a length, it is also positive. So positive over positive, the answer would definitely be positive. If the answer is positive, तो confirmed है आपकी जो value है वो क्या है, show क्या कर रही है, relative minima. Clear? वहीं से हमें पता चल रहा है, but still we have to show it. So we will be say, okay, d square p over dx square at x is equal to 6 would be, I think I should be writing it on the next page. Take that screenshot. Okay. Now as x is equal to 6 we have, so d square p over dx square at x is equal to 6. This is 6. I'm going to check it. It was 144 divided by x cube. So x की जगह I'm going to replace it with 6. Now you can see whatever no matter what the answer is, 0 point something आए, कुछ भी आए, but we can see that the answer would definitely be positive, which is greater than 0. It shows that p has minimum value at x is equal to 6. यानी लेंथ अगर 6 हो तो. सो अब हमें दूसरी वैल्यू भी फाइंड करनी है. व्हाट इज़ माई दूसरी वैल्यू, यानी माई विड्थ. हेंस length equals to 6 centimeter, and now my width would be width which was y, which was 36 divided by x. So it would be 36 divided by 6, so it is 6 centimeter. So आपकी 6 ही length आई और 6 ही आपकी width आई. You can say the shape might be given to you, might be not rectangle but a square, but as they have mentioned it rectangle over here, so we had to take rectangle. अब हमें जो लेंथ्स पता चली हैं उनसे अंदाज़ा हुआ कि शायद ये स्क्वायर था. Anyways, ये तो मैं एक्स्ट्रा बता रही हूँ. चलें जी, दिस इज़ द सोल्यूशन ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन. यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, ये देखें प्लस माइनस आया, बट वी विल बी इग्नोरिंग नेगेटिव वैल्यू बिकॉज लेंथ कैन नॉट बी नेगेटिव. बाकी पुट किया आपने, दिस इज़ पॉजिटिव, सो दिस वुड हैव मिनिमम एट द एंड द साइड्स आर 6 as length, this one, and 6 as width as this one. Done? Clear? So next video, inshallah, in the next video I'll be meeting with you people, inshallah, with question number 7 and 9, which are very 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 important and you can say a bit difficult than these questions, right? So see you then.